ko alam yun ah. Mukhang nag-clinic to ah.
Wala sa radar.
Ang masama nung tinignan kanya muna eh.
Ano magagawa mo ron?
Hinahanap ka niya eh. Nasaan si ano?
Alex po. 4-3.
Good resist.
Wow, nice. Oh.
Grabe yung mga move ng mga veterans.
Ayaw nga makapaglaro ng matagal. Naiisip na walang takbo.
Makukuha niya yun. Ang bilis yan eh.
Galing talaga ng partner.
Naganda naman eh. Baka niya ano.
Nakahawa ba?
Parang si...
Kaya pagkakaga. Mahuli ang partner mo.
Oh, that's right. Because that is just now.
Masama ka palang kapartner. Hey, the other side.
Wait, what? Have you played with these guys before?
Not with.
Not with Max?
No, the Max.
How about Alain?
Yeah, Alain we played.
Oh, you played before.
Yeah, yeah.
Who else you haven't played? The tennis club guys you played, right?
Yeah, from Alain. I don't remember I played with
Larry?
Larry.
Oh, yeah, he was gone for a while. He's based in LA now.
Oh, it's not right.
Yeah, he's just visiting.
Why are you shaking your head?
Shaking is good.
I thought you're not approving my shot. You just
Yeah, our cards are shaking is good.
It's a veteran move.
M or W? It's an M.
No. How about Eng? Have you played Eng? Yeah, Eng is good.
So in this game, there's no advantage. Right? Or there is
There is.
advantage.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's only first of all. Should we start playing with the wood frame?
Yeah, we have.
I think five.
Yeah.
2-1.
I'll go grab it.
Ay, putang gala.
Bakit ka pupunta doon? Eh, dito ako.
Kala kanya, over niya eh.
Thank you.
Leon.
Oh shit.
Hurry.
Isang energy.
Injury timeout. Okay. Kami juice. I thought you have only two, but it's so many.
No, this is Eng. Yeah. Eng has 4. So we can play doubles.
Renier.
Iba rin kaya ang bola nila na
Ano,
Hindi pa masyadong-
regular duty lang.
They wouldn't
Pero yung camera mo kayo dito.
Hindi mo titito. Ayaw po.
Try bouncing it. So vibration transfers.
Okay, nice. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Sige, sige.
Gusto mong picture?
Tapos ko nakaagad.
Okay. Hindi sinasadya.